1.24 season 10. Sloppy Vager. Tuesday, June 19th, 2018.
Okay. I'm anti. Ouch, bro. This freaking anti.
You're gonna push up like as a full unit? That's what I'm waiting for. I haven't done anything as Tracer, just in position to pounce when you guys push in together. But I don't know if you guys are just gonna firefight or what.
Sniper, get behind something.
Let's get a shield tank so you guys can walk up, please.
I am ready to unleash the dragon.
We have a kill. They can't rest. Our Tracer's on point. We have 2 kills, we have 3 kills. We're on point. Good job.
What's in the... oh, 9 more.
Well done.
It's slap. Let's go. And Blizzard.
By himself. Oh! How? 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 I don't get that. It makes no sense. Go on the McCree. Jesus, man, that is infuriating. Here we go.
A little behind you. A little behind.
Got one. They have Widow. Oh man, that was unrealistic. Cause like all I could see was my head. I don't see, like, in my view, that would never work for me. It would work for days.
My freaking thing went right
Insane.
across.
What are we gonna do? Maybe 1-on-1 though. Use this hook. Crease here. With 2 kills. See if you can get a good wall. Thanks for the res.
Bro.
They have 2 down right now. Dying way too often. See if I can stick this Anna.
Bro,
Ah.
he's gonna be perfect.
Thought that was my enemy.
That was easy.
Good wall. Well done. Good freeze. Good wall.
I get wrecked, dude. Ah!
Protect the payload.
Stuck. Stuck.
Focus Winston. Focus Winston. He's by himself. Focus Hog. Focus Hog. Winston. 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 Winston no leap. Winston no leap.
Whoa, okay, McCree.
No one can hide from my sight.
Yeah, Widow.
How did it come up? What the heck? There's a random headshot. Oh, that's unfortunate. How did I go? Dude.
Hiya. Hello.
Alicia won. How did he, dude? He flew, man. Wanna fuck stuck? Oh, what, dude? What the?
They're not getting heals.
How did he shoot me?
They're
through
not
the
getting
field?
heals.
Makes no sense. How can a bullet kill me through the inside roadhog? Come on, Gabe. Rose. I know it's Overwatch. Whoa, that hook range.
Let's get this hog. Let's get this hog. Let's get. There's a widow and a hog flanking.
Okay, yeah, select. I love it. Hey, who am I getting shot from, man? What the fuck? What?
Behind. Back right. Back right.
Oh, they're all so lit.
Widow.
Get wrecked, man.
Widow spawn camping. Widow spawn camping. It's okay. We won.
Okay.
I got destroyed. It's grabbed me.
They have Winston. They have Widow, Genji, Diva.
Nice shot.
Don't go too far. I'm not gonna go up there to heal.
Their Widow's down. Traded.
What are you guys doing all the way down there?
Well, I can do it at Sombra. Usually.
Don't not heal us because we're over there.
You
But
need a
like,
shield.
It's too risky.
I know, but like, don't not heal us, otherwise we're just gonna take damage. Heal us as we're trying to retreat.
Bruh, that widow.
Not gonna be able to contest this Widow. Winston just jumps on me freely.
I just killed the Widow.
Okay.
We have EMP. Get ready to walk up on payload. Here, get group up as a unit. Be ready to walk on payload up. Can EMP really soon? Can we change off Widow, please?
Yeah, I
I'm
am.
gonna EMP right now. EMP. Good job.
Widow's one.
Got her.
Yo, that one's not healed.
Winston hack. Winston hack. Cannot jump.
Good combo.
Blew their grab.
Lit, man.
Widow has a good sight line.
Yeah, let's get back to the points so I can rally.
They have Widow. You can rally.
Coming back.
They have Widow. EMP. Got 3.
Nice. On his one.
Good job, guys.
My ultimate is almost ready.
John Cat has tire. Woo! Barely connected with the fist. I am always in the kill feed. I'm doing well.
My dragon strike is ready.
Well done. Just keep building those old charges. Keep doing well, guys. Destroying them.
I'm asleep, I'm asleep.
They got off the Widow.
I
Yeah,
got
went my crit.
booped into their team.
They're down 2. Our Sombra's down. We have Rally in the pocket. We have Val. Our Sombra's down. We have 5 in the front. We might need the rally soon. We lost our Hanzo. We might need the rally. It's a 4 and 5 right now. We don't have numbers. Their Junkrat's dead. Might need that rally, dude.
That res.
Oh, you can go up here?
What? How did I not stun that Moira, bro?
Actor. EMP. Got 4. You can get up here? This is insane! This changes everything. But you can't get up there. That makes no sense. Good shielding, bro. Good save.
You gonna help that now?
Small? Yeah, I got you. Pretty low. Nice.
Nice bubble, dude. Yeah, you are a slicer.
Ah, I'm slut.
Ooh, that was bad. That was dumb to do.
Okay.
They lost 3 of their Junkrats. Their Hans and Junk are low. Their Hans and Junk are low up top. Nice finish. Nice. Be careful, Big. Be careful. You're by their spawn room.
Orisa low. Oh.
They're gonna have like 1 push left. We don't have any ults, guys. Be careful.
Back up, back up, back up. They gotta come here. Ooh. Maze 1.
That's from spawn.
Uh-oh.
And I hacked.
You wanna jump low?
Hanzo hacks.
Jeez, they're getting smacked around. 15 kill streak, bro. Let's go.
Good shit, guys.
What was gold? What was gold? No.
They look nasty.
Oh no, this is right potato. Please don't watch.
Oh.
Never mind. That was gay, actually.
Oh boy, 24 season 10. We have 1 January as well. June 19, 2018, Tuesday, Slovak.